The Skullcandy Terrain XL2 speaker boasts an exceptional IPX7 water-resistant design, making it a reliable companion for any outdoor adventure, whether it be rain or poolside fun. Featuring a captivating built-in LED light show, this speaker transforms any music session into an exciting audio-visual experience, perfect for setting a party atmosphere. With an impressive battery life of 18 hours, the Terrain XL2 ensures that the music keeps playing through long parties and weekend getaways without the need for frequent recharging. Its innovative multi-link technology allows you to connect up to 99 speakers, creating a vast synchronized sound system that is sure to elevate your gatherings. Despite its compact design, the Terrain XL2 delivers powerful sound with rich bass, making it a great option for those who want portability without compromising on audio quality. Manufactured by Lifeworks, this speaker is designed for those who appreciate a blend of functionality and style in their portable audio devices.